Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to rename length into diameter in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in additional information and then you see dimension and then you see 10 centimeter. So this is our length. So we are going to rename it to diameter. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see new dimension, height, width. Now you see height, width, length, and we are going to rename length to diameter. Now you see, so you can add text according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see refresh the page. Now you see dimension, height, width, and then you see diameter. So we rename length into diameter. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.